What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about selective precipitation. A solution contains 1 times 10 to the power of negative 4 molar copper ion and 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar lead ion. If a source of iodide is added gradually to this solution, will PbI2 KSP 1.4 times 10 to the power of negative 8 or CuI KSP 5.3 times 10 to the power of negative 12 precipitate first? Specify the concentration of iodine necessary to begin precipitation of each salt. So what we need to do, we need to write the KSP expression for both salts. For PbI2, the KSP, which is going to be equal to 1.4 times 10 to the power of negative 8, equals to Pb2 plus times I minus to the power of 2. The concentration of Pb2 plus is 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So 1.4 times 10 to the power of negative 8 equals to 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times iodide to the power of 2. So the concentration will be 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 3 molar. Now on the other hand, for the other salt, CuI, KSP is 5.3 times 10 to the power of negative 12. Copper ion times iodide ion. The concentration of copper is 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So 10 to the power of negative 4 times I minus. In that case is going to be 5.3 times 10 to the power of negative 8 molar. So now you see the concentration of both of them. So whenever the concentration of I passes any of them, precipitation forms. It means that if the concentration of added iodide is greater than this number, PbI2 precipitate. If it's greater than this one, CuI is gonna precipitate. And since this number is smaller than this number, CuI precipitates first, since it needs less concentration of iodine. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.